Seed initiative is an innovation or a way of doing or thinking that is not dominant, that operates on the margins but has the potential to transform a system, and in this case, the food system, which you are working on.
Global food system is something that is both a huge success and a big problem. So it's a huge success because more people have access to food than ever before in human history. It's a problem because many people don't have access to healthy food. Now, many people don't have enough food, but even more are eating an unhealthy diet that's causing them to die early.
We've had the Seeds of Good Anthropocenes initiative running almost 10 years now.
The premise of the entire project is that it's really important to understand what sustainability initiatives that we call seeds are actually doing, because they have the potential to radically change the future of food systems in Africa and to contribute to a just, resilient, and sustainable future.
And the objectives of our project is to start identifying potentially transformative food systems initiatives in 3 countries. So that is South Africa, Ghana, and Kenya.
And we're here now in Diani Beach with all of the participants running our visioning exercise, which has comprised of 2 main methods that we've used within this workshop agenda.
The aim of this workshop in particular is really to enhance this collaborative networking between seed initiatives, but also to start building visions of what a food system could look like in the future here in Mombasa.
So we started off with a Seeds of Good Anthropocenes approach, where each of the participants actually themselves represents an innovation, an intervention, something exciting that's happening in the food system. And we've taken those seeds and we've used them as a starting point to build future wheels.
Others were from governments, looking especially at issues of inclusion like gender, considering people with disabilities. They're also supporting institutions like innovation hubs. Also academia was represented. And that led to a very rich discussion that I believe was appreciated by all the participants, that ability to look at different perspectives and also to have that platform to speak. They're also actors, because the creative industry has a very big role to play when it comes to communicating science to society.
I make organic fertilizer from seaweed. Seaweed has lots of benefits. It has all macronutrients, all micronutrients, trace elements, and most importantly, it has numerous plant-based hormones that are not only beneficial to the plant, but also to the soil.
We are doing seafood business. We are selling all types of seafoods, but our signature dish is a crab. And this is because the demand for crabs in Watamu is so high. And we had a problem because of the production, because we were relying on the crabs from the world, but they were not enough. So we decided to start a farm there so that we can supply to the hotels and also our restaurant, the crab shop.
Africa has huge potential to do much better with food and to also try and avoid some of the problems that have happened in other places.
And it's really important to hear from the grassroots voices and experiences of people that are fighting every day to make a better world.
We make animal feeds and fertilizers which are made from fish waste. So we work with the fishermen in the collection and also processing of the fish waste. We reutilize the disregarded fish waste in the blue economy and in the fish value chain to make the animal feeds. All these feeds are sold to the farmers.
We are all yearning for a food system that is sustainable, that is clean, that provides equity, no joblessness, so less unemployment. We have a system where we have food security and a reduction in malnutrition.
There's a lot that can be done by individuals to change the food system. We don't have to wait for the big actors like government. We can start from where we are.
It's been really inspiring to meet all of the different participants, the seed actors, and to be able to gather them together in this really interesting workshop. So it's not just about the visioning outcome or the description of the pathways, which is a very important component of the project, but another strong element of why we've actually convened here today is also the networking or the sharing of ideas, inspiration, collaborations that are hopefully going to emerge from all the participants coming together in this one place for these 2 days.
So we're hoping that all the outputs that we come out of with this project will begin to maybe ignite, a sense of direction in how do we actually transform food systems in Africa.
The whole experience has been quite great because we have been able to meet with various seeds, people solving different problems, and exchanging ideas is one of the best way for us to be able to understand how best to create bigger impact to the communities that we serve.
It is a fantastic experience, and we are aiming for a better future.
We hope can inspire action towards better futures for people and for the planet.
The one word that I would use to describe the whole experience is
euphoric.
It was fantastic.
Amazing.
Be hopeful.
Fun.
Adventurous.
Inspirational.